Last week I visited the Museum of the Cherokee Indian and it was gorgeous, you guys. But I was not about to leave until I got my hands on a bag of those stone ground grits. So today on Divas and Cook, we are making these creamy, buttery, southern style grits. Let's go. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is cover our grits in water. Whenever I'm making like instant grits or quick grits, I don't do this, but with stone ground grits, you wanna do this because anything that floats to the top, you wanna remove it. If not, you're gonna have those little hard bits in your grits and honey, I don't like that. I like a nice creamy grit, so I go ahead and just remove those. And this part is actually very therapeutic, you guys. I mean, I like doing this part. Yeah. But hey, if you don't mind the little crunchy bits, then you can skip this step if you want to. Alright, that looks wonderful. I'm going to go ahead and drain off this water. And now our grits are ready to be cooked. A little bit of water in there, but that's okay. They are ready to be cooked. Okay, let's talk about the liquid. The liquid that I'm using to cook my grits in, I'm going to use a little bit of half and half and water. I never use just plain water. That's like so boring. If I'm making like a savory grit, I'll use like chicken broth and a little bit of half and half. You can also use heavy cream or milk, you know, okay. All right, pour it all into a large pot. I'm going to add some salt. Make sure you salt your water before you make your grits. Add some butter. I'm going to add in a little bit of pepper. Just get that liquid tasting delicious, okay? Because that's what your grits are going to taste like, and you have to season it up. Grits without seasoning is nasty. Okay, now I'm going to sit here and wait for this to boil because, honey, this boils so quick and quietly. It will bubble over in a heartbeat. It has happened to me so many times. I'm like, dang, how that boil so quick? Okay, now I'm going to add my grits into the water. I like that whenever I wet my grits before I add them into the pot, they never clump up because you don't want to have clumpy grits. You don't want little grit balls, okay? I don't like little grit balls in my grits, like little hard balls. So add it in there and then you want to whisk it. Whisk it as soon as you add it in. Add a little bit at a time. Whisk it, add the rest, whisk it, okay? Constantly whisking. When you're making grits, you have to whisk it a lot. Okay, I'm talking kind of quiet because it's like 4 a.m. and so I don't want to wake everybody up in my house, so kind of quiet. I'm going to go ahead and simmer this for a little bit, and then I am going to make sure you whisk it constantly whisking. And then I'm going to put the lid on my little grits, and I'm going to reduce the heat, and I'm going to simmer it just until it is thickened up to my liking, and it is nice and creamy. Some people like it really thick. I don't like it really thick, but I don't like it really thin either. So yeah, just let it cook away until it is the consistency that you like. I like this right here. This texture right here was kind of, you know, loose but not too thick. I'm going to add in some butter. Keep it very classy here because these are my breakfast grits. If I was doing dinner grits, I would add like garlic powder, paprika, all that good stuff, some cheese. And now I'm just going to go ahead and place this into my bowl, ready to serve it on up. Y'all, look how creamy it is. That half and half, oh my gosh, it makes it so creamy. And of course, more butter. Don't judge me, okay? And once that butter has melted, I'm going to stir it on in. Yeah, man, I like a lot of butter in my grits. And don't put no sugar in these grits, you guys. I better not catch you guys putting sugar in your grits. That's not, make some cream of wheat or oatmeal if you want to do that. Now go ahead and make you up some bacon, some scrambled eggs, some hash browns, some buttermilk biscuits, some fried apples, or, you know, all that. That sounds so good right now. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will know when I post new videos. Later.